Living paycheck to paycheck can feel like being stuck in a never-ending cycle. You work hard, but every payday seems to just disappear before you have a chance to breathe. It's exhausting, frustrating, and often disheartening. But here's the good news: breaking free from this cycle is possible, and it's within your control. Imagine waking up one day and no longer worrying about your bills. Imagine knowing that you're not only covering your expenses but also building wealth for your future. Imagine living with a sense of financial freedom, where your money works for you, rather than the other way around. It's time to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start taking control of your financial destiny. The first step in this journey is realizing that you don't have to live this way forever. With the right mindset, strategies, and small shifts in how you manage your finances, you can break free from the constant stress of barely making ends meet. The key to breaking the paycheck to paycheck cycle isn't about earning more money, it's about managing the money you already have. Most people don't realize that small, consistent changes can lead to big results. It's about making smarter decisions with your money, prioritizing savings, and building a solid foundation that will allow you to thrive financially. Start by building a budget that works for you. A budget isn't just about restricting yourself, it's about creating a plan for your money. It helps you see where your dollars are going, identify areas where you can cut back, and direct those savings toward building your future. The goal isn't to eliminate all enjoyment from your life, but to prioritize your spending so you're putting your money toward things that truly matter. Next, focus on eliminating debt. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, can keep you in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle longer than you realize. The longer you carry debt, the more of your paycheck goes toward paying it off, leaving little room for anything else. But when you start tackling your debt, whether through the debt snowball method or a more aggressive approach, you free up your future income to be used more productively on savings, investments, or building wealth. Once you have a handle on your debt and budgeting, it's time to focus on building an emergency fund. Life has a way of throwing unexpected costs your way, and without an emergency fund, one setback can set you back even further. Having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up gives you the financial cushion you need to handle life's curveballs without falling back into the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. This fund provides peace of mind, and more importantly, the freedom to navigate life's ups and downs without stressing about your next paycheck. But what about building wealth? You don't want to just escape the cycle, you want to move forward, grow your wealth, and set yourself up for the future. The best way to do this is through investing. Whether it's in the stock market, real estate, or even building a side hustle, investing is one of the most effective ways to make your money work for you. The key is to start now, no matter how small your contributions may seem. Over time, even modest investments can grow into substantial wealth. Remember, building wealth doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen when you consistently invest in your financial future. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound, and the easier it becomes to break free from living paycheck to paycheck. The reality is, it's easy to fall into the trap of believing you'll always be stuck in the same financial situation. But that's just not true. You have the power to change your financial future. You don't need to wait for a bigger paycheck, a better job, or a lottery win. You need to take control of the money you have right now, and start making smarter, more intentional decisions. The journey won't always be easy. There will be setbacks, and sometimes, you may have to make sacrifices. But the rewards, financial freedom, peace of mind, and the ability to live life on your own terms are more than worth it. So, stop living paycheck to paycheck. Stop letting money control your life. Take charge of your finances, build a solid foundation, and start investing in your future today. It's time to stop merely surviving and start thriving. Your financial future is waiting, and it starts now.